If you want to become a hacker, then you must know how to hide your location and IP address. Otherwise, you will be tracked by the FBI and will be sent to jail. My name is Ahmed and I am a certified hacker. In this video, I am going to show you how I hide my IP address while I hack web servers and companies by using IP rotation technique. So as you can see here, it is showing that my IP address is from Brazil, but if I reload it now, it is showing that my IP address is from United States. And if I check on other website, it is showing that my IP address is from Russia. So this is how IP rotation technique works. Each time a website request is made to my original location, it uses IP jumpers to hide my real location from those who are trying to see my IP address and trying to locate me. And this all happens due to my IP rotated Chrome extension which I built myself. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can also hide your original location whenever you are hacking into computers or web servers so that no one can track you. So let's get started. So let's take this image as an example. Whenever I visit any website from my laptop, this request is passed through my IP rotated Chrome extension. This extension contains more than 1000 IP addresses from United States, Canada, Australia and multiple other countries. As we all know, whenever we visit a website, then the website tracks our IP address to identify from which country are we coming from. So in my case, they will not see my real location. What they will see is just a fake IP address. My IP address is also not static. It means that my location changes with each request made to web server, as I have already shown you a demo in the start. So by this way, you can also hide your real location. One important thing to note here is that there are some web servers which are using WebRTC technology to track your location. This is another method from which you can be tracked really easily even if you are using IP rotated Chrome extension to hide your location. Let me show you an example. This is a website which can track its user from WebRTC technology. Here you can see that my IP address is showing and it tells that I am from Canada and my state is Ontario. But if you scroll down a little bit, here you can see that there is a section which is called WebRTC leak test, and here it is showing that my real IP address and it is showing that I am from Pakistan. Even though I am using a proxy to hide my real IP, this is also very risky as many hackers do not know about this tracking method. So if you want to protect yourself from this WebRTC tracking technology, then there is a plugin on Google Chrome called WebRTC Leak Prevent. So by activating this, and then I'm reloading my web page. Now you can see that it is showing that I'm from Canada and there is no public IP address leaking. The only location which is showing will be the Canadian location. So by this way, you can protect yourself from the WebRTC tracking technology. If you are interested in learning penetration testing and how to perform web hacking attacks, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am posting videos related to cybersecurity. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section, and that's it for today. Take care and I will meet you in the next video.